Hello, traders. I wanted to hop on here real quick. This is a monumental day in the stock market, S&P 500. I mean, we're having a historical day, truly are. And I'm not trading it because it's too volatile. I did get lucky early on pre-market and made a little bit, but it was a scary, scary trade. Made my stomach hurt from the very second I clicked the mouse, so I got out. But I wanted to just hop on here real quick and talk to you about this, the colors of the charts here. I had a young man here named Dawson Walker over the weekend, and he found it much easier to spot these fair value gaps when we removed all the colors and we made the wicks white. The way you can do that is just double click on the candle, make the bodies black, the borders white, and the wicks white, and that's it. You got it changed, and now you can see very easily that fair value gap right there. And there was another one down here that changed the momentum back up to the top. If I put those drawings I had back on there, you can see them very, very clearly. The gaps run from the bottom of that wick to the top of that wick. There's no other. See how they most of the time they'll overlap each other? When they don't, that's a gap. There's one here to there too that started this run down, and then we had them coming back up. So, very important part of the whole trading price action that I teach. Learn to spot those fair value gaps. Okay? Be kind to yourself. Be kind to one another. I love each and every one of you. See you next time.